In the field of deep glass processing, the cutting process is a key. Factors that directly affect both efficiency and product quality. TopoGlass continuously invests in advanced equipment, operating multiple, intelligent, fully automatic glass cutting machines to build a high-efficiency, smart, and safe production workshop. We are committed to empowering manufacturing with technology and providing our clients with high-quality, high-precision glass products and customized solutions. Our intelligent cutting system integrates automatic loading, positioning detection, precision cutting, and edge waste removal, significantly improving production efficiency and operational safety. Equipped with industrial-grade CNC systems and CAD file import functionality, our machines achieve cutting precision within plus or minus 0.2 millimeters, meeting the high standards required in architectural decoration, electronics, and home interiors. The system supports flexible processing of various glass thicknesses and sizes, including ultra-clear glass, blue glass, bronze glass, and extra-large glass panels perfectly suited for diverse custom orders. Smart optimization of cutting pots minimizes raw material waste, maximizes glass utilization, and effectively reduces overall production costs. Offcuts and waste glasses are processed through a dedicated crushing system to support sustainable and environmentally and friendly production. Our factory's strengths include a daily cutting capacity of several thousand square meters and a complete one-stop processing service chain covering tempering, laminating, edging, and coating. The modernized workshop is managed with a digital production system. We also support customized overseas project services, serving clients across Europe, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia. We specialize in cutting glass for curtain walls, high-end residential partitions, exhibition and hotel installations, commercial interior glass, and precision-cut glass for electronic displays. Founded in 2014, TopoGlass focuses on 5 super glasses: artistic glass and decorative glass. Our cell phone brand TopoGlass is exported worldwide. We have a complete system for R&D, production, inspection, and packaging. As a national high-tech enterprise and an A-level taxpayer, we have consistently ranked among the top quality suppliers in the glass industry.